The mind shapes everything. What you think molds who you become. If you're waiting for the right time to take a step forward, remember, without action, tomorrow looks exactly like today.
Hello you guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'll be sharing with you my November monthly reset, and I'm starting off by firstly putting away all of my fall decor. Fall is my favorite time of the year to decorate my house for, and honestly it's kind of hard to be putting away these things right now, but I'm kind of excited at the same time to start getting into the holiday season a little bit earlier this year. That has been my goal. I've always started getting into the Christmas season and decorating and stuff in December itself, and I'm so excited to just start transitioning from now. So I'm gonna go ahead and go through my home and pack away all of my fall Halloween decor.
If you ever got cheated on this song I made for you, when you know the crew telling the city this interlude, but behind closed doors everybody laughing at you, but you're meeting a little friend. They telling you that's like a brother, but you met every BF and never heard of the sucker. Got you shaking hands with the same hands that touch your body. This that type of cheating that can make you catch your body. Now the phone late night ringing, moans with music singing. You texting while he's sticking his ding-a-ling-ing in. It hit you, they cheating. Now you beefing, holding that line creeping, ready to shoot when you catch him sleeping. Ooh. To this how can I know if you ever got cheated on the song I made for you and you know the truth. Telling the city to show little boo, but behind closed doors everybody laughing at you. Got you meeting a little friend. They telling you that's like a brother, but you met every BBF and never heard of this sucker. Check you shaking hands with the same hands, but that's the body. It's the type of cheating that'll make you catch your body. Late night ringing, the music singing. You texting while he's sticking his ding-a-linging. Then it hit you, they cheating. Now you beefing, holding that 9 creeping, ready to shoot when you catch him sleeping. Got you shaking hands with the same hands that touch your body. This the type of cheating that to make you catch your body. Now the phone late night ringing, moans with music singing. You texting while he's sticking his ding-a-linging. Then it hit you, they cheating. Now you beefing, holding that 9 creeping, ready to shoot when you catch him sleeping. Ooh. So yes to this, how can I know if you ever got cheated on the song I made for you and you know the truth. Telling the city to show little boo, but behind closed doors everybody laughing at you. Got you meeting a little friend. They telling you that's like a brother, but you met every BBF and never heard of this sucker. Got you shaking hands.
I wanted to share with you a little Trader Joe's haul. I picked up a ton of spices that I'm so excited to try, and there's one that I always buy, and that one is the Green Goddess seasoning blend. And this is something that I use almost on every single salad that I make. If I make a rice bowl, I'm putting this on it. This is my absolute favorite seasoning from Trader Joe's. Another one that I've never really tried is the Everything But the Bagel Sesame Seasoning Blend. My best friend, she was the one who wanted this, so I just got one for myself as well. She uses hers on ramen. I've never tried it on that, but I know that this is so popular, but I don't know, I'm hesitant to try it. I'm not sure what I'm going to try it on. I think that's the thing. I got some cinnamon sticks because I know that Christmas and the holidays are right around the corner, and I would have these in my simmer pots or in any teas that I make or any little DIYs. And then the next one that I got is the multi-purpose umami seasoning blend. So I think that this will be really good in soups as well. I will definitely do research as to where these will be really good in when it comes to cooking, because I'm really into trying out new recipes. I also got some onion salt, and this, I actually opened this out and tried it out, and I'm obsessed with this. I feel like that is something that I will continue to buy. And then this one is the garlic powder as well. And something about Trader Joe's seasoning, I just love the packaging, I love the bottles, and I could not help but pick up a pumpkin spice. This tastes so good. I've tried other pumpkin spice seasonings, and something about this one from Trader Joe's is actually so much better. I don't know what it is. I picked up an avocado spray. So I've heard that these are really, really good and a great alternative to olive oil if you don't want to use that. And then I also picked up this tartar sauce, and I love this on maybe shrimp or fish. I'm having this really weird feeling about fish recently. Like I've actually stopped eating salmon except on sushi. Like salmon was the only fish that I ever ate before, and something about fish right now, I don't know, I'm not having it. Like if you guys know, I eat more or less vegan all the time. It's very rare that I would eat fish except in sushi. And I'm still feeling okay about shrimp, but the salmon I'm not sure. But this will go really good with some fries and shrimp, I feel like. They also have these vanilla bourbon beans, and this was like the real type of vanilla bean, so I picked that up. And then some of these freeze-dried strawberries, which I think will go really good in my chia seeds pudding, or maybe some of my yogurt or granola or anything like that. I've been so into trying new snacks, so these dried okra, I don't know how it's gonna taste, but I have high hopes about this. And then I also picked up some coconut flakes, which I'm definitely going to be doing in like my chia seed pudding and in my yogurt and granola and anything like that. So those are some items that I picked up from Trader Joe's. So I'm going to go ahead and pack these away and then head on to do some laundry.
Every night I try to love, but your heart is made of stone. All my tears, they fall like rain, yet you leave me here alone. I give you all I have inside. You pretend it's all pretend. Your empty eyes, they break me down. Will this torment never end? Endless pain, it's all I know. Hurt me more or let me go. In this game, my heart will lose. Change your ways or set me loose. Cold nights and colder days, living in the shadow space. Guess I never find the light, living in this endless night. Promises you never keep, whisper lies when I'm asleep. Lonely, I just sit and weep. Love me now or let me leave. Endless pain, it's all I know. Hurt me more or let me go. In this game, my heart will lose. Change your ways or set me loose.
So I'm back again in the kitchen. So I wanted to share with you what is my recent obsession, and that is snack boxes. And I got this cute set of 4 from TJ Maxx, and it was like actually the perfect shades of pink. Like this was like my dream snack box combination. If I find any on Amazon that is similar, I will go ahead and link these down below. But I've been loving these because it allows me to snack in a mindful way, and it allows me to not feel the need to binge or just snack on unhealthy snacks when I have all of my snacks already prepared. And I have the 4 little different compartments with different things in it that I could choose from. So let's go ahead and make a snack box for this week. I actually shared with you one on Instagram, so I will put that in on the screen if you'd like some more inspo. And that one had edamame, cucumbers, cherry tomatoes, and I think something else I can't remember. Oh wait, dried orange slices from Trader Joe's. If you have a snacking problem, I definitely think that you should get some snack boxes and try doing this, because it is going to be so easy whenever you feel hungry or peckish after dinner, or whenever you just crave a little snack when you come home from work or school or whatever the case may be. You can just pull out one of these, open it up, and go ahead and get all of your snacks inside. So let's go do this one.